How to use coupon codes on Temu. If you want to basically use coupon codes on Temu, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Temu application over here. And once you launch the Temu app, this is the kind of interface you will see, where you can simply come to the U tab from the bottom of the screen. And once you tap on the U tab from the bottom, this is the kind of interface you will see again. From here, what you have to do is simply go to an option that says coupons and offers. Then once you go to coupons and offers, here you will see this type of information here, right? Then all you have to do is just tap on the enter coupon code option here and just make sure to enter the coupon code and then hit the apply button over here, and then you'll be able to apply your particular coupon code. And this way you'll be able to basically go ahead and then finish up with your coupon code over here and then apply them. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.